problem. Men no be any problem as I say. You me kwa sorry.
There be who da su bom like who from so we SDA ni.
Yeah, me SDA ni.
Omo ji say we SDA.
Yeah, sorry. Mema ye ni abusia wo ekwa abusia na say we abusia ye ni SDA abusia o ye in Africa ha. What you say? No. Sorry. And I will come.
Right.
I saw now come. You want church or the chair? Oh, will be a no say. Ebusia ben na ofim say me SDA abusia and I'm your presby abusia. What you say? What do you kushia? Will be a free abusia bim. And then you belong to a family or a clan or near war. Fa near what if you abusia? Na what if you are so to him na fi hwehwa brabo senate se na wan kasa definition it
se da waka no ya ti but obi bebusa se wo fra wo se wo ya ezie ni ana wo da so fra wo hu sa na because na ka me say me ye basiri ni it wo so fra wo se wo SDA ni ana
yo me SDA ni
okay
so what is my kokaji be we say me ja so
na oba unsa na me kan so we Nazarene so what obi as a fi Nazareth so way before we went on air you look something like a Nazarene
the person me say Yesu
enti na me kan
Yesu or Nazareth ni say Nazareth no Nazarenes
yes
and and he have a lifestyle
wako ho nan saying what to kwan ko
oh yeah Marco Israel several times
okay is that what is informing your new perspective on music, life, religion, etc., etc.? Because you mentioned more religion rather than doctrine.
Yeah.
And our doctrine rather than religion.
Yeah. Doctrines and religions should base on the truth.
Okay.
And so, the truth is the ultimate.
Whose truth?
Okay. You use this question. Then no problem. Okay. We have realities on earth. You have conscience that tells you something before even they preach whatever religion into your mind. And that conscience is the means that Yankopon faso ne wakasa. And so say, ofa kwan bia so kum conscience we. Ka say na obi ba me ho na niam opeso ye no. And I make a change say, hey, don't help me to kill my conscience because if my me conscience, you'll be the next person I will.
Okay. we are here, but let's feel your music too.
Me per se, ni party as I say, when Yankopon boy young no, o mayen nyansa, o mayen tibua. On say you can't tibua, and yabua, a tibua. Tibua ni your judge that guides you. That's it. Enti one kasa utimi bua semu utim ansa na obi kra be catch you.
Absolutely.
And if utibua no your judge is active. You do things right.
Yeah.
You don't allow anything to come and kill your conscience.
Yeah.
Because it's there given to you by Almighty God to guide you to do the right thing.
But you know it's in the Bible that those who didn't hear the gospel, they'll be judged by their conscience.
One of us will be anti-gospel.
Oh, they say Biana Obishe a crassi be on
anti-gospel.
Ghana. But there are parts of the world that there is the gospel everywhere.
No.
Yankofa Alexa, maybe a Nankabadisa Maranatha number more.